Processing images for laser engraving comes with its own set of challenges. From material type to correct settings or even confusing programs, the challenges are endless. To make things even more worse, it can often result in discarding of materials and turn out to be a time-consuming and complicated process. imag-r makes laser engraving of images child's play for you. In a few simple steps, you can laser engrave any image in perfect quality without extensive knowledge of photo editing programs. It's as easy as uploading your image on imag-r.com, followed by cropping the image using the crop feature that lets you, for example, crop it into a square image. It even allows you to create a circle or an ellipse by rounding cropped area edges. You can resize the image, choose its resolution like pixels, or alter image DPI for the perfect engraving result aligned to your laser. A text tool to add your message by resizing or styling the fonts is a bonus feature. On the Materials tab, choose among proven and time-tested algorithms, already tested by a community of over 50,000 users. This is followed by previewing your image on the chosen material and saving the image in any format for the best engraving results. Taking an example, you can preview different wood types for wood as well. Your image is finally ready for laser engraving with perfection in seconds. You can remove the background for free without losing the image's quality, or create puzzle overlays in seconds and cut your own puzzles with your laser. Vectorize or cartoonize images or logos for highest quality logo burn results. Or slice your image into smaller parts for creating a bigger engraving. Visit our YouTube channel for more tutorials on these features.